This is where good investigators get sharper and great ones separate themselves. At Southeastern Investigative Group, we don't believe in passive training, we believe in performance. That's why our courses are built on a proven formula: 40% classroom, 60% hands-on. The classroom gives you clarity, how crimes actually unfold, why evidence behaves the way it does, and how decisions stand up under scrutiny. No filler, no academic fog. Just clear, experience-driven instruction you can use immediately. Then we put you to work. Hands-on training is where confidence is built. You process scenes, you interpret evidence, you make real-time decisions under pressure. You learn how to explain and defend those decisions on reports, in interviews, and in court. For officers, this means stronger first responses and fewer critical mistakes. For investigators and detectives, it means faster case movement, better conclusions, and cleaner prosecutions. For law enforcement professionals at every level, it means credibility, on scene, in the courtroom, and with your agency. This isn't training you sit through, it's training that shows up on your next call. Southeastern Investigative Group. Train with purpose, train with confidence, train like the case depends on you, because it does.